Tapos,
Where did you go for the past 2 days?
I
Where
was
were
with
you?
him.
Huh?
I was with him.
So,
Where?
where is Jeffrey now?
Where, ano pang sabi niya, sa bayan, nasaan na daw si Jeffrey ngayon?
It's in Holo. Where is Jeffrey right now? Jeffrey,
Sa Holo daw.
you were with Jeffrey.
Yes,
Is it?
I am with Jeffrey. I just came now. Kasi sabi niya, umuwi na daw ako. Para hindi ako mag-absent.
Bakit blanco? Walang pilit eh. Takot, matakot. Huwag ka matakot. Oo.
Kailangan ko muna kasi may kausap na bago ako magsalita. Mahirap kasi yung ganito.
Sige, okay. Sorry. Okay, wait, no problem. Wait. Oo, sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Sabi nila kita,
Pasensya ka na ha. Pasensya ka na.
excuse.
Si Inspector James Velagas. Pasok na lang kaya tayo.
Pero biwa sa office na lang para kan. Nagsakit ka na na? Sa office na lang, sa office na lang. Ito, Oli, tawag ulit ako. Ay, bakit na lang mo ka, Eddie?